What is up, guys? Welcome back to another ASMR video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of my racing pigeon breeders. Feel free to go check out my racing pigeon channel. It's called Barrera Family Loft. Barrera is my last name. So to start off, this is King Barrera. King Barrera. Now this is my main guy right here. He's a really nice one. He's a blue check is the color of the bird. Blue check. So I'm just gonna be doing some mouth sounds and just saying the name of the bird that is shown in the video. It's like a minute and a half of each bird. But yeah, this next bird is Barrera's Princess Porsche. Barrera's Princess Porsche. Now she's a really nice one. She's one of my favorites. She's one of my favorite birds to handle in the hand. You know, like her body, she's really strong. She has a really strong wing and a really strong back. So yeah, she's one of my favorites. Now her color, she's a blue bar. A blue bar is the color of her. Now this next guy right here, his name is Black Pearl Porsche. Now the reason why this bird and the last bird are called Porsche is because they are related to this bird called Porsche 911, and that bird is one of the most famous racing pigeons right now. If you guys search up Porsche 911, he'll pop up everywhere. So basically they're all related to him somehow. For example, this guy's a grandson of him. And yeah. And once again, this guy's a blue bar. I actually sent two youngsters of this guy to the $1 million race and the $1 million race here in the United States. Now this next one is my very own Eevee. I named her after the Pokemon Eevee. Now when I was younger, I always dreamed of having a bird with this type of color. And now that I'm older, I was able to get one, and I'm extremely happy with her. Now the color of this bird is called, a lot of people, the fancy way to say it's recessive red, but I like to call her Choco. Now this next one right here, she is from one of the most, if not the most famous guy in the United States with racing pigeons, Mike Gaines. Now this bird was bred by him, and now she's currently with me. Her name is Wolverine Power. She has a really strong eye. You guys will see right now. Now this next bird right here was the first ever racing pigeon that I bought for myself. Her name is New Lady Black King. She is off the line of Black Power. Now Black Power is from Hardy Kruger from which over the years I've gotten a great relationship, a great friendship with him. Now for the second part of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the youngsters that I sent out to the races to participate this year. That's me holding my youngsters. Now this first one right here is number 52. Her name is Little Beauty. Now Little Beauty is actually a daughter of that dark check, that last bird you guys saw. Although she looks nothing like her from the color, it is a daughter from that bird. Right now I'm showing the back of the bird. So if it's strong and if it's balanced, if the tail goes up, but it's usually not a really quote-unquote good bird. Now this bird right here is number 46, if I'm not mistaken. Now this bird went to the same race as that last bird, Little Beauty. They both are participating at the race called Crooked River Challenge is the name of the race. Now that race is in Oregon, here in the United States, in Oregon. And you know, the races are in October, so fingers crossed they do well. They are both still there, and they are both ladies. This next one is number, I think it was 39. If it's number 39, she went to the $1 million race in Indiana. Now last year, first place at that race won $175,000 US. Now at that race, there are currently a little over 4,000 birds, and I have 7 birds there for me, so hopefully they do well. Now this bird is number 35. If you guys look back in the video, the bird Black Pearl Porsche is actually the father of this bird. It's just that the mother of this bird is a white bird, so that's why they mixed, and that's why it came out like this, a little mix of both. But this one went, if I'm not mistaken, to a race, and I'm pretty sure it went to a race in Louisiana. But I have full brothers too, actually, at that $1 million race I was just talking about. Now this one is number, I didn't get to see, but I think it's number 49. This one went over there to Florida, in Orlando. Yeah, this one went to a race in Florida, in Orlando, Florida. Now, this one is, this one's very special because this one's off one of my winners of last year. So I have high expectations of this bird right here. Now this one is number 47. This one also went to that same exact race, Orlando, Florida. Down below, leave a comment on which bird was your favorite one of the whole video. It could either be one of my breeders or one of the ones that I send off to the races. You guys let me know down below. And this last one, let me look at the number. The number is number 45. Now this one went to San Diego, California, to a race called the California Classic. Now this one is actually the father of this bird, was my most consistent bird here, racing here for me at home. And yeah, he's one hell of a bird, and that's his son. And last but not least is number 37. Now this one went a little close to Sacramento, California, a little city over there, and we'll see how she does. She also only has one white flight on one side, which I really like. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy these little racing pigeon videos. I plan on doing a couple of more and a couple of different videos. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. See you guys on the next one.